What's up, everybody? Rahz here, aka The Motivator. I want to thank you guys so much for your time and your energy. You're an amazing parent, probably trying all the different tactics, strategies to overcome the challenges so that you can have more freedom, more confidence, and most importantly, just have harmony at home. This video, I'm just going to share with you a quick 5 tips to just manage time. I'm going to go really a little bit deeper. I made a post on Facebook where I kind of outline these 5 tips, but more importantly, I want to share with you a little bit about how I utilize time management with my clients to help them not only navigate the child and parent relationship, but also to make it so that their house, their home, is a home of harmony, less conflict, and more connection. So let's just jump right into this. So number 1, and we're going to just reveal this right here. The first tip that I want to share with you is really, it comes down to understanding that if you're going to have time management, you have to have flow. Flow and ease are going to be the key to having more time, relaxed, and management in your home, right? So number 1, everybody, including myself, we have challenges with meal prep, right? Figuring out what should we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, dinners. One of the things that my wife and I have done, and I teach a lot of my clients, is to meal prep on Sundays. Prep at least 2-3 days of meals. Also have your meals itemized out. What are you going to have for dinner on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Maybe you go out on Friday. But having this schedule allows for clarity, but also for ease of when you're going grocery shopping. And more importantly, everybody in the family knows exactly what's on the menu. So meal prep is key, as well as helping you also stay healthy. And that is going to be a lot easier as well. Number 2, family delegation with our chores. Team, everybody, together everybody achieves more. This is so critical. Have everybody make sure that they have to chip in. They have to put their 5% in so that they can get the whole 100% of the harmony in the home. And whether it be the husband or the wife, or maybe both, you guys come together, but somebody has to create structure with this delegation process so everybody knows exactly what it is they need to do, when they need to do it, and how often they need to do it, and then what are the consequences if it isn't done. That is one really important one, because we want to make sure that we always set boundaries and expectation. Number 3, you got to have self-care time. Block it. And the 3 R's: rest. You need to make sure you get your rest. Sometimes you might need to take an hour out, go to the coffee shop, have a book, write in your journal, do whatever allows you to reflect and then recharge. Get your battery recharged. That is critical if you're going to be an unstoppable parent. Number 4, we have here, set routines: sleep, homework, chores, laundry, yourself included. You want to for us, we do laundry on Wednesdays and Sundays. This allows us to know that we're stripping the sheets on Wednesday or Sunday and repeating that process. We also can schedule out everything inside of our planners so that we know that if you save yourself time, energy with systems, you're going to, more importantly, but whatever you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And this is critical. Number 5, you want to make sure that you have what? Clear communication. Clear communication, set and repeat. So you say it, repeat it, and then get confirmation that everybody knows where they need to be, when they need to be there, because this is going to allow for that time management system that you're putting in place to really rock and roll. Here's a bonus for you, and this is number 5. Well, bonus. Everybody got to have 100% responsibility, knowing what they do, where they need to be, and how to make this whole process of your family really work really well. I don't know. I hope those 5 tips have served you, helped you. Going deeper into each of the 5 tips, let me know which of the 5 tips, most importantly, you're committed to trying out at your home, but more importantly, how did they help? And if there's any additional help that I can help you with, reach out to me at rahzslaughter.com or on social at Rahz. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video training. Drop me a comment with the word boom if this has made a difference and you see it helping you and your family. As always, stay grateful, be positive, and live with passion. Boom! And I am out. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you guys soon.